You are going to love the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control. Come take a test drive today.